In this Canva tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly delete a project in Canva. To delete a project, locate the three dots next to the project you wish to remove, and select Move to Trash. You can also choose to delete multiple projects simultaneously by selecting them and moving them to the trash. If you're currently in a project, start by clicking the Open menu in the upper left corner. Then, click on the Projects tab to view all your designs. The trash can icon can be found in the lower left corner. Deleted projects will remain in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. You have the option to let them be automatically deleted after 30 days or manually delete them from the trash. Remember, once you permanently delete a project from the trash, it cannot be recovered, so ensure your decision before proceeding. That wraps up how you can easily delete projects in Canva.